Today we are making pancakes for breakfast. This is one of the easiest fix in the morning. It's simple, soft, fluffy and impossible to resist. Hello soft lifers, let's do this. In a bowl, we are starting by sifting our all-purpose flour. Remember to always sift your flour before using it. I used 1 glass of flour. When that is done, put it aside. In another bowl, crack in 1 egg, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 glass of milk. Then whisk that to combine very well. When that is done, go ahead and add in your flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Whisk that to combine very well. When you get a smooth texture, that is done and it's time to cook. In your pan, brush in a little bit of oil and let it heat up. Go ahead and add in your butter. Use low to medium flame for the best results. Wait until bubble formation stop, then flip it over. Cook for about a minute, then go ahead and remove it. Do the same to the rest of the batter. That's how you make the perfect pancake in less than 10 minutes. Soft, golden and ready to brighten your day. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, leave a sweet comment and subscribe for more cooking videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next one. Bye bye.